coming down the line, beating on the soul that are lost and crying. Rails of sin, on evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. Look to the heavens, you can look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back into your eyes. There is protection and there's peace the same. Burning your ticket for that long black train. All the victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name. Don't go riding on that long black train. There's an engineer on that long black train, making you wonder if the ride is worth the pain. He's just a wait on your heart to say, let me ride on that long black train. But you know the victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name. Don't go riding on that long black train. Yes, sir, brother and sister, stay off that long black train. Lead you straight to hell. Don't find no ticket on that long black train. Get away from there. Devils are driving that long black train. Well, I can hear the whistle from a mile away. Sounds so good, but I must stay away. That train is a beauty, making everybody stare. But it's only destination in the middle of nowhere. But you know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father in His holy name. Don't go riding on that long black train. I said cling to the Father in His holy name. And don't go riding on that long black train. Yeah, watch out, brother, for that long black train. And devils are driving that long black train.